bacon. You want some sauce? Mustard. Barbecue sauce. Yum yum. What's that one? That's the hot sauce. Barbecue's a little more mild. You probably like that one better. What's that? Eggs, milk, and beer. That's for grown-ups. And he keeps going back to the barbecue sauce. He's picking a sauce. What do you think, buddy? Want some yogurt?
Yeah.
Just break yourself off a yogurt there, bud. Oh, you want the turkey bacon. Uh-oh. We're dropping things. Can you put that back in the fridge?
I don't think he's ready for that yet.
Turkey bacon. Can you put it back?